guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my blowout hairstyle. So I'm not going to actually do a blowout with a hairdryer and a round brush because I actually don't know how to do it that way. I usually just use a hair straightener, and this one is from Avanti Ultra. I'm not an expert in hair straighteners, but this is just what works for me. And then you're gonna need some hair rollers and a couple clips. So before I style my hair, I like to use this styling serum. It's called Perfect Serum. I don't know where it's from though, and I usually put this on when my hair is damp, but it's already dry. So I'm just gonna put it at the ends of my hair. So I'm just gonna let my hair straightener warm up to 410. And I think it's ideal to have layers in your hair because it will have more dimension. And I just got a haircut, so my layers are pretty short. So I don't usually clip up my hair in sections when I do it because my hair is pretty thin. But I usually start with the top part first. I like to go in and do the front pieces of my hair. I'm just gonna grab like this much, and then I'm gonna curl inwards. You want to start from the root though and start curling it. And it's hot, and while it's hot you want to put it in a roller so it will cool down and give you that voluminous look. I usually curl it inwards, but I know a lot of people curl outwards. This is just what works for me. And then I'm just gonna take this section here and curl it the same way I did with the front piece. You don't wanna start by curling it at the end because it will look a bit weird and it won't look as voluminous. It'll just look really flat at the top. I'm gonna take this big piece at the back and do the exact same thing. And then for this part, I like to use smaller rollers so that it will have a tighter curl. Wow, I look like a grandma. And then I just repeat the process until I get about this much. And then when I get this much hair left, it's a little less than half. I'm just going to curl them, but instead of rollers, I'm just going to clip them up, and I'll show you in a sec. So when you're curling your hair, you don't want to just curl it at the ends like this, because you see how like flat that is? You want to start from the root, or close to it at least. And then before this cools, I'm just going to curl it up. And then I'm going to use a clip and just clip it so the curl will stay as it cools. So I kind of look crazy right now, but I'm just gonna let these curls cool down before I take them out so it will last longer, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I let it cool down for about 8 minutes, and now I'm just gonna take them out, and I'll just start off with this. Oh, that's a bit too curly, but we'll see. And when you're taking your rollers out, you want to do a twisting motion like this. Oh my gosh. So this is how it looks. I just gave myself a little side part, and I think it's a bit too curly to my liking, but that's just because I curled too much inwards with my straightener. But yeah, it's quick and easy just like that. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you found my hair tutorial helpful, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!